Hello friends, in this video Trigonometry part 22 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you watch Trigonometry part 1 to part 21. Let's take one problem where we have to find the value of x. We are told that tan 2x is equal to minus cot x plus pi by 3. We have to find tan 2x. So now if you see, if you can convert this also to tan, we can directly equate the values. We know that cot of x is equal to tan of pi by 2. In fact, minus of cot, because all sine, tan, cos we have. The moment you say pi by 2 plus x, this becomes, this goes to second quadrant. Here only sine is positive, cot is negative, so we'll add minus cot here. So minus cot of x is equal to tan of pi by 2 plus x. So we can also say RF is equal to minus tan of pi by 2 plus, I'll say theta here. So here in our case theta is equal to x plus pi by 3. This is our theta, correct? This whole thing is theta. So I'll say minus of cot of theta is equal to tan of pi by 2 plus theta. So, or I get tan of 2x is equal to tan of pi by 2 plus x plus pi by 3, or is equal to tan of 6 common. I'll add this 2, so we'll get 5 pi by 6 plus x. Also we can equate because both are tan here, so we get 2x is equal to 5 pi by 6 x, 5 pi by 6 plus x, or we get x is equal to 5 by 6 pi. So this is our principal solution. Now when we talk about general solution, and since this is tan, so tan is n pi plus theta, and theta is 5 by 6 pi, so n pi plus 5 by 6 pi. So this is what we get, where n is the member of Z. Please don't forget this. This is the value of x. What we have done, we have converted this cot into tan, and then we created both the side to get the principal solution, and then we found general solution for that. One more problem. Here also we have to find the value of x. We have been told that sine 2x minus sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of. Here also we observe that 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 2 plus 6, 8 by 2 is 4, and this is 4. So if we can club these two, we can get sine 4x common. And we know that sine of A plus sine of B is equal to 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Why we got this? Sine is initiating this conversation, so sine wants cos to be together, so it's sine into cos, and it is plus, so sine got the plus form and cos got the negative form. So we can write this equation in the form sine 2x plus sine 6x minus sine 4x is equal to 0, or we can say 2 of sine 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos of 6x minus 2x by 2 minus sine of 4x is equal to 0. We could have also written 2x minus 6x, that would have come minus 4x. Cos of minus 4x is anyway cos of 4x, so it doesn't matter. We can write 6x minus 2x or 2x minus 6x is fine, the same. So this becomes sine of 4x into cos of 6 minus 2 is 4 by 2, cos of 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or we can say minus sine 4x, sorry, this is sine 4x is equal to 0, or I'll take sine 4x common. So this becomes cos of 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So I have two options. One is either sine 4x is equal to 0 or I have cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if you take equation 1, I get 4x is equal to, general principal solution will be 0. It is n pi plus 0. This is the general solution now. Or x, this is x, is equal to n pi by 4. When I take this solution, I get 2x or cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2, because it was 2. Sorry, it was 2. Or 2x is equal to, if I write the principal solution, 2x is equal to 2, that is cos of theta is cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. That means theta is equal to 60 degree. So we'll say 60 degree is equal to pi by 3. So 2x is equal to pi by 3, or x is equal to pi by 6. Now we have got x equal to pi by 6. Now we want to find the general value. So the general value for x will be x is equal to, since it is cos, it is n pi plus minus theta, and theta here is pi by 6, so it is n pi plus minus pi by 6. So we have two solutions, this and this. Either of this is true. What we have done, we have found that 2x and 6x, if you add and divide by 2 becomes 4x. So we have taken this together. So we have got sine 4x common. So we got this equation, sine 4x into 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means either sine 4x is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then we solved this, we got in first case x equal to n pi by 4, in second case x equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. Find the value of x. Here it's given that 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. If you can convert this cos square into sin square, we can have equation in sin square x. And we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. That is, cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So let's do that. 2 into cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Now let's put sin x is equal to y, just to make our life easy, because we'll get a quadratic equation. So this I get 2 minus 2y square plus 3y is equal to 0. That is 2y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. I took everything on the right hand side, and this I can write 2y square minus 4y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, because 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4, and minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So I get 2y into y minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 2 or minus 1 by 2. But we know that y can't be 2, because in case of y is equal to sin x, so sin x can't be 2, because the maximum and the minimum value of sin x is minus 1 to 1. So we'll ignore this part. So what we get is sin of x is equal to minus 1 by 2, because y is equal to sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Or here we'll find first principal solution. So principal solution will be 7 pi by 6. Sine of 7 pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. We know this. So the general solution will be, we want to find the general solution. General solution will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into theta. And theta is 7 pi by 6, because cos sine of 7 pi by 6 is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. What we have done here, we have first converted cos square into sin square, and then we have written sin x equal to y to make our life simple. We found the quadratic equation, solved it. We got sin x is equal to 2 or minus 1 by 2. We ignored 2 because sin x can't be 2, and then we found the principal solution for sin x equal to minus 1 by 2, that is 7 pi by 6, and then we found the general solution. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks.